Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Lyft account. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I've compiled a list of a few different ways to delete your Lyft account, so follow along. So the first method is to open up the Lyft app and make sure to log in. And then from there you want to tap on the menu icon, usually represented by three horizontal lines, looks like a burger, in the top left corner or right hand corner of the screen. And then scroll down and select help from the menu. In the help section, search for delete account or navigate to profile an account and then delete my account. Follow the prompts to request your account deletion. You might be asked to confirm your request and provide a reason for deleting your account. Another way is to go to the Lyft website. So go to the Lyft official website. So open up a browser and head there. Log into your Lyft account using your credentials. And then navigate to the help center by scrolling down and clicking on help at the bottom of the page. And then search for delete account down there. Follow the instructions to request account deletion. You might need to fill out a form or contact customer support directly. So if you need to contact Lyft support, what you want to do is open the Lyft app again on your mobile device, tap on the menu icon, select help, and then choose profile and account. Find the option to contact support and send a message requesting account deletion. Another way you can do it is emailing Lyft directly at support@lyft.com with a request to delete your account and just state a reason why. So deleting your Lyft account remove all your data from Lyft servers, including ride history and payment information. So if you want to keep them, make sure you have them backed up before proceeding with any deletions.